How to leave a private league in Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your PL application from your device and get logged into your FPL account. Tap onto Fantasy option from the bottom bar menu and scroll below until you see Leagues and Cups. Under Leagues and Cups, tap on Configure Leagues. As you do so, you will see all the leagues that you have created or joined. Under here, tap onto the settings option of the league that you would like to leave. Then you will see Leave League. Tap onto it and tap on Confirm. And if you would like to leave other leagues as well, you can do the same. Under Private League or any league, tap on the settings option. Then you will see the option of Leave League. Tap onto it and then refresh your page. That will automatically let you out from that league. Just like so, this is how you can leave a private league in your FPL account. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.